So we got two topics. One, CHRISCHAN, and the second, Activision Blizzard. First off, CHRISCHAN. So apparently I was bored and going to, Twitter because, this is where we cancel people and all that. So I was trying to cancel someone. Not canceling someone. Sorry about that. I was, pro canceling someone, but suddenly I saw CHRISCHAN did what? Trending. For those who do not know about who CHRISCHAN is, so like a long time ago, not very long, like in the early 2000s, CHRISCHAN was pretty much huge. He created a non-fiction character called Sonic Shoe, a hybrid of Sonic and a hybrid of and Pikachu. And there's a lot of history with that guy. A lot of history in the early 2000s. Sorry about that. I was doing something. So, where are we? Alright, so CHRISCHAN was really huge back in the early 2000s, of course, and in the mid 2000s as well, because he would make comic story or comic books about him in Sonic Shoe saving the world or something like that. And yeah, and also there's he's basically a unluckiest man, to be honest, because he never get himself a girlfriend. His goal was to get himself a girlfriend, but of course he failed. So July 30 or 31st, I don't remember which is which. Basically, CHRISCHAN have intercourse with his 80-year-old mother, who is suffering dementia. Yeah. So, even though CHRISCHAN mother tell him to stop, but then again, CHRISCHAN didn't listen, so he decided to, what should I say, since I cannot say the R word. Alright. You know what? I was just gonna say R word. So basically, CHRISCHAN's just R word his mother. Basically, yeah. Since after failing to get himself a girlfriend, he decided to just start start R word his mom. Because according to him, he and his mother have a good relationship. A love relationship. Wow, are you serious? And it's really disgusting to hear it from him. He literally admitted. When I was hearing some audio from him, I was like, what in the heck is going on? And I felt so uncomfortable. It's just, man, I don't know which is worse, EDP or CHRISCHAN. In my opinion, I feel like EDP will most likely be the worst guy, because one, that guy basically shows his dookie, and also like his, and also he just shows some girl a picture of him beating his me to some P-star on the computer, and he basically just show all his white stain as well. I feel like EDP is basically more worse than CHRISCHAN, honestly. But CHRISCHAN, I mean, if CHRISCHAN did the same thing like EDP did, man, I feel really, really disgusted and disturbed by that. Oh yeah, you know what? Never mind. I feel like CHRISCHAN, or you know what? Let's skip all of this. Scratch that. I think both of them are worse for many reasons, for many different reasons. Because one, CHRISCHAN show his or her crush. By the way, CHRISCHAN changed his sex. Now he used to be a male, now he's a female. And just so he can get a girlfriend by being a female. So, CHRISCHAN just draw a picture of him and his crush having intercourses on the bed, and boy, it is weird, man. Also, by the way, he just showed this. He just draw a picture of his fictional character and his love interest having intercourses as well. And this guy just talk about how size Sonic Chew meat is. Like, come on. For EDP, this guy basically just sent Dookie and other stuff that I do not want to talk about. So, oh yeah, so after CHRISCHAN have intercourse with his mother, he is basically arrested. Well, it seems like Gino is probably gonna make a documentary again of CHRISCHAN in jail or prison, but sucks to be CHRISCHAN. So moving on to Activision Blizzard. To be honest, we should not blame Toys for Bob and Vicarious Vision, because I feel like they didn't even know what is happening in Activision Blizzard, because Toys for Bob and Vicarious Vision really give love to Crash and Spyro more than the publisher Activision itself, basically. It sucks that Toy for Bob, a small company who is actually pretty nice, came from a big company that is basically a parent to Toys for Bob, who is pretty much scummy, and also, are basically, I don't want to talk about it, and basically made female go committed suicide and start harassing females. I mean, I hope Toys for Bob wasn't involved with this situation. Same with Vicarious Vision and B-Doc, because these three were focusing on Crash and Spyro the most by giving them more love. Mostly Spyro and Toys for Bob too, because their relationship with Spyro is really good. Same with Crash, that they really make the story for Crash 4 pretty interesting and nice. So, Activision Blizzard is basically terrible. They're terrible. It's a good thing I never buy a game that came from Activision Blizzard. Basically Blizzard. It's a good thing I do not play Overwatch, because that game is basically came from Blizzard itself. So everything is pretty bad. CHRISCHAN got arrested, and Activision Blizzard is getting sued, which is, with both of these two, basically deserve it. Mostly Blizzard too, because like they're getting sued, which is good because they deserve to be sued, like, for what they did. And plus they are scumbags as well, so there's no point with them not being scumbags. They're ultimate scumbags. Well, CHRISCHAN, at least you'll get a boyfriend-free lover in prison or in jail. And thank you, everyone. And I'm gonna go to Twitter again and start not canceling people. So, thank you. Bye.